Hey, this is Gary from Dataman here. Yeah, it's been a long time since I did voiceovers, but yeah, this one's special. So I thank you all guys for making Dataman what it is today. It's because of you guys. I mean, it's continually growing to be an amazing hub of automotive off-road enthusiast companies, product accessories companies and so on. And we are just blessed to have you guys on board here. And as always, we are very transparent of where you're putting your money in. We show you in and out complete details of our products before you make your purchase with us. So we're open, we're transparent, and as always, in data we trust. Yes. So coming to our brand new Datamen Expo Series front bullbar for the 2025 Toyota 4Runner TID Pro and the Trail Hunter, of course. Yeah. And this here is a surface file, a concept. You can think about it as a concept, sculpted and built matching the vehicle proportions in every angle. I can see this aggressive light bar profile light bar mount, and it also has cool carbon fiber eyelets. It's a bolt-on stuff. It also has a provision for the central light bar and two other light bars on the other side, the 4-inch ones, 6-inch ones, and a massive air intake on either sides to further enhance the ram air into the engine, because you definitely need hell lot of air for that engine. And bottom we have the CNC recovery points and 12,500 pound winch compatible provision and an amazing bash plate. It's a cherry on top of that, right? So we hope this file will help you guys to fast track you and the processes, kind of give you that direction, that design direction where you really want your product to go. And we're confident in that, as always, right? So we hope you guys will love this and enjoy this as much as or even more than us. So we're confident about that. And we have a lot of exciting things coming very soon. And we also hope you like a recent Datamen Expo Series Ultra Adaptive roof racks for this vehicle. Similar CAD file support for this as well. So once again, all our files are beautifully compatible with all leading 3D softwares out there. So you guys don't need to worry about anything. We have 24/7 support. You guys need anything, you can just message or text us, email us, and we'll reply to you right away. And we got you covered, right? So we hope you love a new product. And once again, thank you all for making Datamen what it is today. It's because of you guys, right? So let's take this to the next level. And we are excited for this vehicle. I think it's almost launched in most of the countries. So we have exciting times ahead of us. The future looks bright. Once again, thank you all for everything. We hope and we believe, definitely we are confident that this will help you out amazingly. Thank you all. And in data we trust.
Shake that chassis, shake that chassis, shake that truck body. Left to right, right to right, bottom right. Shake that chassis, shake that chassis, shake that truck body. Left to right, right to right, bottom right. Shake that chassis, shake that chassis, shake that truck body. Left to right, right to right, bottom right. Datamen, official badass, OEM, warrior as always.